In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your GitHub username. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Changing your GitHub username can be a straightforward process, but it's essential to understand that it can also have some implications for your repositories and links. So let's walk through the steps together to make this as smooth as possible. First things first, head over to github.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you're already logged in, fantastic. If not, just input your username and password. You know the drill. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the web page. You should see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu, and from that menu, select the option that says Settings. It's about halfway down the list, so you shouldn't miss it. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you'll notice a sidebar on the left side of the screen. Look for the tab that says Account. Click on it, and this will guide you to your account-related settings. Next up, we'll dive into changing your username. In the Account section, scroll down until you find the Change Username section. You should see a button that says Change Username. Click on that button, and this will start the process for you. Here's where things get a little more serious. Once you click that button, GitHub will show you a warning. It's important to take a moment to read this message. It will outline how changing your username will affect your repository links, and it may impact anything dependent on your current username. If you understand the implications and are sure you want to proceed, go ahead and click on the button that says, I understand, let's change my username. You're almost there. Now it's time to enter your new desired username. Type it into the field provided. Make sure to double-check your new username for any typos or mistakes, because once you change it, you'll want to remember it. After you've entered your new username, simply click the button that says Change My Username to confirm the change. Once you do that, congratulations, your GitHub username has been successfully changed. Just remember to update any links you may have shared with others, as those will still point to your old username. It's always a good practice to inform your collaborators or anyone interacting with your repositories about the change, so they're in the loop. And that's it. You've now learned how to change your GitHub username. If you have any questions or run into issues during the process, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using GitHub effectively. Thanks for watching, and